Hello, welcome to your very first tutorial on the HTML tutorials and course series. Well, I guess you all know what HTML tutorials and course is. If you don't, please refer back to our previous introductory video on this same series for a clear definition of what HTML tutorials and course is. Well, with that said, let's get on to business. In this video, we are going to be explaining what HTML is, the objectives of these tutorials, what you will need to make an HTML page, and how to use basic tags in HTML. So, without saying much, let's get to business. Welcome to HTML tutorials and codes. This tutorial series will lead you through the basics of HTML, which is hypertext markup language. HTML is the building block for web pages. You will learn to use HTML to alter an HTML page to display in a web browser. Now to the objectives of these tutorials. By the end of these tutorials, you will be able to use HTML editor to alter an HTML document, be able to use basic tags to denote paragraphs, emphasis, or special type, create hyperlinks to other documents, create an email link, create images to your document, use a table for layout, apply colors to your HTML documents. Well, folks, this brings us to the end of our tutorials for today. In our next tutorial, we are going to talk about what you will need and how to get them. So please subscribe so that you get updates on our next post. Also, I will be posting more details in the comments or description section below, so please follow instructions below. Turn on notification for this channel so that you will receive future updates. Also follow links below to join our various groups. Also, in case you will need to contact any of our resource persons, you can follow links to their profile or contact pages and contact them. Thank you. Remember to subscribe. Bye.